tell you something. If they feel like you gonna be bigger than them, they not gonna help you. I'm letting you know right now, sometimes your family can help you. Sometimes your friends can help you. Sometimes your loved ones can help you. All you need is a little push. But the problem is...
Bent your fucking bumper, dumbass.
Compton know that I'm rap. They all know that's my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. Compton know that I rap. They all know that's my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. The first shit that I dropped pop. Shit knocked, I was 17 with a fat knot. I was getting green, had a Philippine with a fat cock, had shit locked. I was still in the same.
Show your magic trick. In about 2.3 seconds, it's gonna be taped out and we'll be sanding on it. Watch. Niggas get out too far. God shit. What the? Not yet. Morning. Hey, I have to show y'all something real quick, you know, just kind of like my kind of video, but I just got to show y'all something that's really dope. Check it out. Man.
How about the radio?
I bought the big ass JBL to throw it in the back. Done. I ain't even gonna cut the dash up. It's all OG.
What's that, bud? How about that?
What, bud? That's windshield wipers.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's sick, dog.
It's the owner right here.
Getting there.
Clean machine right here, man. What year is it?
50.
50? Man. And how old are you? Like
24.
24. Building classics. Whew. Man, she's beautiful, brother.
Hey, you gonna do a piping?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back out the back with the glass pack in the one
You
street.
driving it without plates?
Hey, y'all too close to my truck, man. Help me back and get it.
So I'm gonna go straight. Glass pack on this side with the straight pipe out on this side. Just the key shooters coming out the back.
Oh, that's gonna be nice.
That's sick.
Yeah.
I like it.
And then getting rid
Man,
of the
this body is
06.
smooth. Them panel, them lines is
Getting rid of
straight as an arrow.
I'll get rid of the 06 wheels and the baby booms on it.
And it's a 6 lug? It's 6 lug?
First hand? Wheels?
No, sometimes they just put the cap on it, you know what I mean? Just to, yeah.
No, well, those are off of 06.
Oh, so they just put a whole new body chassis on there.
Well, these are just to roll for right now. They're off of 06 Silverado, just so that I can drive. I have the OG wheels. They're getting powder coated.
Oh, okay, okay.
So can't not drive it.
Oh, you can't not. I mean, come on now. It'll be a sin not to drive this.
They're in the paper bags on the rack.
All right.
It'll be a sin not to drive this. Man. Oh.
Straight 6, inline 6, 216. It's a stock 216 in there.
Hey. Perfect. Got the big train horns on there?
Oh, yeah.
Woo-hoo. Get out the way. Man. They didn't skip a detail. You just made this. This is a machine right here, man.
We kept the inside of the firewall of the back of the cab original to prove that this is
This is
the
original
kit.
color, yeah. That was smart.
Truck's name is Cresty.
And what's your Instagram?
I don't have a gram.
Oh,
Or
okay.
yet. Not yet.
Man, you should, man. I know people gonna want to follow you. Because I'm about to follow them. I already know.
Well, yeah, pull up the 27th, Ballast Point.
Okay.
Army.
All right. Cool.
Big heat, who trippin'? Brown skin style, Serena Williams. I need a gold medal.
Jesse Owens running laps in it like I'm wearing Pro Fit. Free smoke, free smoke. Free smoke, free smoke. Free smoke, free smoke. Ay, free smoke, free smoke. Look, big bag, we smoke. Look, big bag, need boats. Yacht shit. 40 loaded, I'm a locksmith. Looking in the fridge, we ain't got shit. In the house quick, locksmith. Really was flocking. Me and with it took a case on the chin, ain't no talking, we walking. I got 21 savages. They ain't trying to see the red hots. They ain't trying to meet the red ops. 8 ball with the red dot. That's a 38 with the beam on it. Switching teams on us. Catch a nigga, let him lean on it. Playing lean on me with the big homies.